Have you ever wanted to create a professional-looking image but didn't know how to use Photoshop or any other design software? The good news is that you don't need to be a professional designer anymore. Today, AI image tools can create amazing images in just a few seconds. Whether you're a student, content creator, business owner, marketer, or professional, these tools can save you time and help you create high-quality visuals with very little effort. In this video, I'll show you some of the best AI image tools, explain how they work, and help you choose the right one for your needs. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share which tool is best for beginners. Let's get started. First, let's understand what an AI image tool actually is. An AI image tool creates images by understanding your written instructions. This instruction is called a prompt. For example, if you write, "A young professional working on a laptop in a modern office," the AI understands your request and creates a brand new image based on that description. The better your prompt is, the better your final image will be. That's why learning to write a clear prompt is just as important as choosing the right AI tool. Now, let's look at some of the most popular AI image tools. The first tool is ChatGPT Image Generation. It's a great choice if you want realistic images, social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, illustrations, or creative designs. You simply describe what you want and the AI creates it for you. The second tool is Google Gemini. Gemini is useful for creating creative visuals, concept images, and professional designs. It works well when you give clear and detailed instructions. The third tool is Adobe Firefly. If you already use Adobe products, Firefly can help you create and edit images while keeping a professional design style. It's especially useful for business and marketing projects. Another popular tool is Microsoft Designer. It's very easy to use and helps you create social media posts, presentations, invitations, and marketing graphics without needing advanced design skills. Now you might be wondering, which AI image tool should you choose? The answer depends on what you want to create. If you're making YouTube thumbnails or creative images, ChatGPT Image Generation and Google Gemini are excellent choices. If you're working on business designs or marketing materials, Adobe Firefly and Microsoft Designer are also great options. No matter which tool you choose, remember one important thing. AI gives better results when you give better instructions. Instead of writing office, write something like a confident young professional wearing business casual clothes, sitting in a modern office with a laptop, natural lighting, realistic style, high quality, looking directly at the camera. See the difference? More details help the AI understand exactly what you need. One mistake many beginners make is expecting the perfect image on the first try. Even professionals usually improve their prompts several times before getting the final result. Don't be afraid to make small changes. Add more details. Remove unnecessary words. Try different styles. Small improvements often create much better images. Another important tip is to think about your audience. If you're creating images for LinkedIn, use a clean and professional style. If you're creating YouTube thumbnails, use bold text, strong facial expressions, and bright colors that attract attention. Always create images that match the purpose of your project. Before we finish, here's one final piece of advice. Don't use AI just to create beautiful pictures. Use it to solve real problems. Create better presentations. Improve your marketing. Design professional social media posts. Build attractive YouTube content. Or make your business stand out. The best professionals don't use AI to replace creativity. They use AI to work faster and create better results. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned what AI image tools are. We explored some of the most popular options, including ChatGPT Image Generation, Google Gemini, Adobe Firefly, and Microsoft Designer. We also learned that writing better prompts leads to better images. And finally, we discovered that AI works best when it's combined with your own ideas and creativity. If you found this video helpful, tell me in the comments which AI image tool you're excited to try first. And if you want to learn more about AI, career success, professional communication, productivity, and future-ready skills, subscribe to Future Skill Hub and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.